In this video, we'll explain how to configure the dashboard in Clarity Go. Out of the box, Clarity Go allows you to view My Projects, Starred Projects, and Active Projects. The additional tiles shown on the configured image on our screen shows a sample configuration. The counts in a tile show the number of projects in that file. How do we do that? It's simple. Clarity Go allows you to personalize the dashboard with the metrics you track today, enabling you to view projects categorized by what is important to your organization. If you want to categorize projects by financial status, risk classification, schedule, you can. To add additional tiles to your dashboard in Clarity Go, please contact Optovia, as we'll provide the free components that are required on your Clarity server, and will include a free phone call to help you walk you through the process. We also include a number of samples to get you started. To configure Clarity Go is pretty simple. First, you need to decide on the contents of the dashboard with your stakeholders. Then, your administrator will need to create the Boolean attributes on the project object. Then they'll need to add the attributes to a gel script, and then they'll need to add the metrics to our mobile dashboard metrics custom object. And finally, they'll need to schedule the process. Once the tiles have been decided, your Clarity administrator will be required to add the appropriate attributes to the project object. They'll need to create a Boolean attribute on the project object for each one of the attributes, ensuring that they enter the API attribute ID, and that must start with a single letter followed by an underscore, followed by the name. For example, Z_critical_status. Now, once the new attributes have been created, the gel script that powers the dashboard is required to be updated. You'll need to navigate over to Process, open up the mobile dashboard metrics process, and update the gel script located in the actions in the startup. Once you've finished updating the process, the metrics need to be added to the dashboard. To do this, you need to navigate over to Custom Objects and select Mobile Dashboard Metrics. In the custom object, you'll now want to enter one row per metric that you've added to your dashboard. You want to enter the name, and that's the name as it will appear on the tile in Clarity Go. Active, that's going to set if it's going to be active or not. Count, you don't need to enter that. It's calculated via the script if that's how you've defined it. Comment, a simple explanation of the metric. Filter attribute, this is important, that's the API attribute ID. Sequence, enter where in the order this tile is going to be displayed in the dashboard. And the color, and that's a hex value for the color of the tile. Remember that process we updated a few steps back? Now we'll want to schedule it. So using the execute a process job in Clarity Job Scheduler, schedule the mobile dashboard metrics process. The process will only populate the metrics on your dashboard. Other behaviors in Clarity Go, for example, like notifications, is handled by the Clarity Go app. Now, care has been taken to keep the Clarity Go application to be lightweight and not impact system resources. Keeping that in mind, you should schedule the process in an appropriate manner. It's recommended that the job be scheduled hourly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos as they become available.